Hi, in this video we're going to briefly review the requirements for syllabi at Lane. In addition, the purpose of the video is to demonstrate screencasting, which can be used in many ways in courses. Screencast can be used to create a mini lecture that students can access at a later time. It also provides the opportunity for students to view and review a video multiple times, so they can be very useful for reviewing difficult or challenging concepts. A screencast can also be used to provide feedback on an assignment for students, and it's also one of the primary tools used with the flipped classroom model, in which much of the classroom time is spent working on homework or problem solving, and the lecture is moved to outside of class time, what is traditionally reserved for homework. So in this brief video, we'll take a look at developing your syllabus and what the requirements are for syllabi at Lane. And we're going to review the current requirements for syllabi. So it's best to always check the online policy and procedures manual for Lane. There you can find out what the current requirements are. During the first week, faculty members must provide syllabi to their students and also to the division chair. Many different departments and divisions have different systems set up for this, so you may provide your syllabus to an administrative coordinator or an administrative specialist, for instance. So check with your department to find out how things are generally done. And of course, the course content is required to be included on the syllabus. This includes the outcomes, the course description, the course title, number, and instructor's name, some basic components of a syllabus. In addition, we are required to include office hours and contact information, including email and phone, the course objectives, the grading policies for the course, as well as the attendance policies, the general assignments, a list of required materials such as textbooks, and the teaching methods used by the instructor. In addition, there is a disabilities statement that all instructors must include on their syllabus, and this is a statement that does sometimes change, so it's important to make sure that you have the up-to-date statement. You can find the current statement online on the college website within COPS, the College Online Procedures and Policies site, and we are required to use a font that is at least 12 points or larger, and it should be easy to read so that all students can access the information. And this is a copy of the current requirements for the Disability Resources Statement. And again, this is just the one that we have at this time, but it could change in the future. Some additional things to consider for your syllabus. Well, we've had a rich discussion here about the syllabi, so there are many ideas that you may have and a vast experience that you may have as well. The syllabus quiz, giving a quiz on your syllabus, which could be done either online or off, is another possibility. The concept of a syllabus as a contract is one that some faculty members find useful. And we also have the college core learning objectives. None of these are required. These are just possibilities to consider for your syllabus. The core learning objectives that we have at Lane are listed here. You can also find them online. And so in many courses, faculty members are beginning to map their outcomes to these core learning objectives. So that's kind of a next step for many courses at Lane, and maybe something that you wish to consider now. So I hope you have enjoyed this screencast, and one of the things that's really wonderful about screencasting is that it is a fairly simple process. There are online programs that you can use that are free. The hardware requirements are minimal, and you can find training in the Academic Technology Center and from the faculty technology specialists about how to create your own screencasts. Thank you.